Hi, and welcome to Back to School Night 2020. My name is Mrs. Melissa Marnell, and I'm the AP Calculus AB teacher. I'm best reached via email, and my extra help times or my office hours are Monday and Thursday from 1:30 to 2:30 p.m., Tuesday and Friday from 7 to 8 a.m. A little bit about myself. I grew up in a suburb outside of Chicago. I met my husband and we moved to Southern California. We lived there for 5.5 years, and then we moved up here to Northern California in May of 2009, and I'm starting my 12th year here at De La Salle High School. A typical class day for our class. We have a Zoom call at the very beginning of class. The students are expected to watch 1 to 2 videos. For calculus, it's typically 1 video for our class. They then have a Now You Try problem set, which is about 4 to 5 problems that they work on in small groups, and they talk about how to do the problems. And I go between the different breakout rooms in Zoom, and I check on how the students are doing. After that, as a class, we go through the Now You Try questions together. After that, I let the students go if they don't have any homework questions or any other questions. This time is then theirs to be working on their homework. If they have additional homework questions or want any extra help, they are welcome to stay on the line and we'll give them help at that time. We have assessments about every other week in our class. Homework is 10% and assigned every day. It's due at the next class meeting by 8:15 and submitted to Schoology as a PDF. The next category has 2 parts to it. WebAssign, which is our online book platform. They have a WebAssign assignment every week, and it's over the previous week's material, and it's always due the last class period that we meet during the week. There's also AP Classroom that I'll be signing through the AP Classroom website, and that is intended to prepare them for unit tests. Assessments, typically about halfway through the chapter and at the end of the chapter. The one halfway through the chapter is 5 shorter free response questions and 2 multiple choice questions. The ones at the end of the chapter are split into 2 days, a calculator and a non-calculator day, where one of them they're both 4 multiple choice questions, and then 1 to 2 AP style free response questions. Then they have a final exam at the end of the semester, and it's comprehensive throughout the entire year. And the content will be AP style questions. So now my Schoology site. So on my Schoology site, you see I have the Zoom meeting links as a folder. Also the WebAssign and AP Classroom websites that they will be going to quite often. Here I have our weekly agenda as a Google Doc, and it is also listed on the calendar. We have AP signups here, and this is for our De La Salle parents and how they will pay for the AP test. Let's go to our limits and properties folder. These are all the videos that these students will be watching. I have some extra practice if they choose to use that. This is the discussion board where they put any homework questions that they have and then other students answer. Each one of these folders, so in the chapter 1 homework folder, these are all the homework assignments that they are doing during this chapter. I also have a folder that lays out the WebAssign assignments, any of the assessment assignments, and the video assignments. In the Now You Try questions folder, this is where they will find those Now You Try questions that we do in class. I have everything assigned in folders, but what the students should really be looking at is what's upcoming, what is due during the next few class periods. I have that listed here as Schoology assignments, and that's really where I want the students to be looking. Also, everything is listed in the agenda with the weekly outcomes. I try and list the next assessment and then what we're going to be working on during class. So there's my Schoology website. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please contact me via email if you have any additional questions.